Hello my friends, in this video I will show you how the lead management add-on works in the classified listing plugin. Firstly, go to the plugins, then click add new plugin. Click upload plugin and choose the lead management add-on zip file. Then click on install now. Once the installation is complete, now click on activate plugin. After activating the plugin, go to Customer Settings and open the Lead Management section. Now you can export all the lead settings once you have finished configuring them. Let's open Settings and enable Lead Management option first, so that admin can preview and collect leads when contact form is submitted by users. Click on Save Settings. Now let's see how it works on the front end. Now you will see an option named Email to Seller, which allows the lead, customer, to send a message directly to the seller through a form. It provides a contact form on the front end so that interested users can communicate with the seller. Number, preferred date, preferred time, and your message. This is for sending email. While sending email is done, click on Submit. Now let's back to the classified listing plugins dashboard, and here the leads displayed in organized layout, including the lead type and customer details. Let's see the lead. To update the lead status, click the status option. From here, choose the appropriate status such as new, read, archive, and etc. Next, you can forward lead through any email. Just provide the recipient email address. Now let's back to the page again. Click on Store. Now you can further collect leads from Store also. Let's send more emails to the lead list. Fill in the form again with different details. Same process are available for this. Simply provide the email address, phone number, and any message if they want. Now submit it. Return to the dashboard. You can now see multiple leads listed in the lead management section. You can see whether the lead is from a listing or a store. Each lead displays its customer information, current status, and available actions for easy management, where you can again apply for your recipient email and note if you further want to edit it. Now let's click on Analytics on the top, where you can see the total leads, listing leads, store leads, along with the other information. Then move to the Export, where you can export your leads. Select the lead type based on your needs, either listing or store, and choose the status. Then set your date range for the starting and the ending time. Then go to the Export settings. Select your file format. Then if you click Export Leads, it will be done. Now let's go to the My Account page. Click on here. Now let's see how the admin can create a lead manually. From the lead management section, enable it for the seller, which means the admin can grant sellers access to view their leads. Now back to there again, reload this page and see here it is already added, where you can see all the listing where the details will be displayed about the listing. Now let's back again in the settings. Now we will enable export for seller to allow sellers for exporting their leads. After saving this, go back to the My Account page and reload this. Here it is displayed right now. Now sellers can export their lead information from here alongside the admin. In the next, we will enable lead only for membership user, where you can add lead collection with membership plan. Also enable lead for specific membership pricing and save it. Now go to the classified listing dashboard and navigate to the pricing, where you can see your recently added pricing plan. Let's click on Edit. From here, you can customize your pricing type into membership. In the below, you can enable your lead collection to access for selling who purchase this membership package. Now let's click on Update to save save all of this. Let's visit the site now. Again, go to the My Account page. And here you can see your membership report along with the changes. Let's click on this link. This means you can create as many pricing packages as you want, but this option lets you choose which packages will include lead collection as part of the membership plan. Since we have already added our leads menu for sellers with an active membership along with for specific membership pricing, that's why you can see it in this plan package. Thank you for watching today's tutorial.